Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. So here we are starting with the next zodiac sign, that is Sagittarius. Sagittarius 2024 July. Okay. So let's see what we have for Sagittarians here. So Sagittarians right now are in a real party mode. They're trying to overcome all their obstacles in life. They want to move forward as to probably in their career, probably in their life, or whatever obstacles they've had up till now. They're really in that energy to, like, now I'm going to do it type. Okay, they're still working on what path they should take, and whatever path you choose, Sagittarians, is going to be right for you. So just go ahead. Okay, I feel a little this that there's a little confusion in your mind. So to clear out the confusion, you should always meditate and do your grounding. It really helps. Okay. Now before I go ahead with the reading, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and share this video with your family and friends. So the first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. So Sagittarius, first week is coming with a issue where your money has to be really taken care of. In the past, you've been really worried about a lot of things. Probably few of you must have gone through some kind of financial issue. And in the first week, believe me, there will be someone around you who will try to, out of ego, out of past revenge, try to take something away from you, and you're going to feel a little abandoned. Okay, you're going to feel abandoned. This person will be younger than you. Okay, probably a younger brother or a friend or some acquaintance will try to give you some trouble, so please be careful. In the first week, energy is not good. However, you are a very strong person and you will recover from everything, because I have the strength card here. And but also chances of having arguments with someone in this area, and this will be done on purpose to trouble you, so that you get so troubled and so hassled in your life. So whoever is doing this is not your well-wisher. Okay, somebody will trouble you. And also please take care of your money in the first week. It's very important. At this time, like I said, whenever you are troubled, go and do your aura cleansing, go and chant some mantras, go and just donate something to someone unconditionally. There will be something good coming out of that. Probably you'll get protection, probably your bad karmas, whatever it is, will be done. Okay, will help, it will help. Now the second week is coming with a very happy energy. Family wise, you're going to be in a very happy mood. You're going to come together for work with someone in partnership. Okay, people who are looking for soulmates, second week is a very good time. There's going to be very good energy even in your office working. Okay, third week is coming with a lot of, I think, third week is coming with a lot of probably an energy where money will come, but this money source is not going to be very legal. So people who are into sort of such sort of business, they will benefit a lot in the third week, like under the table money kind of a thing. They're going to benefit a lot in this week. And black money people, that's what I'm saying. And the other people, they are going to balance their life. Few of you might fall into addictions, so please be careful. You might fall, or you might get bad company. That's what I feel. Because of friends, you might get into some kind of addiction, so please be careful, as I'm warning you right now if you're watching my video. Sagittarians, your money area is going to be absolutely fine. Your life will be balanced, nothing to worry in the third week, except for the fact that don't get carried away with your friends and start smoking, drinking, or taking drugs or any other addiction. That is possible. Now the fourth week. Fourth week is about, you might feel hurt when someone might say something very harsh and sharp to you. The situation in around you, in your life, in your workspace or your home space, I feel more of workspace is going to be very malicious, very, very manipulative. One lady I feel is going to manipulate the whole scene, and you're going to feel very hurt because this is going to block you from moving forward as to what you had thought you're going to do in life. Okay? So, some dream that you've always had, it will block you from that and you'll feel very hurt. Now, Sagittarians have a lot of dreams. They want this. I want everything in life. And they want it hook by crook, and they want to work for it also. They want to move ahead also with that. But the situation right now in the fourth week is not allowing you to do that. So just have patience at this time. Just be calm. There's a lot of feminine energy over here who's trying to manipulate your situation. Just be calm at this time. Do not try to push the situation because nothing is going to happen, and if you get aggressive, it will get only worse. So just stay calm at this time. Things will change, month will change, things will change. Okay, right? So let's see what we have in your relationship area. And if my reading doesn't resonate with y'all, please don't bother, because it's just a general reading. I can't help it. Whatever messages come to me, I speak those. Okay, so let's see what we have in your relationship, Sagittarius. Right, so Sagittarius, I feel that in the month of July, Sagittarians, you are not still ready to let go of your past. Okay, it's a very stuck situation in your relationship. You really need to listen to the messages that the universe is providing you. Probably there are so many ways the universe is trying to reach you, but you are not listening. So just notice things around you. If there are feathers fallen or coins fallen, or even when you're watching something, reading something, if there is a message, just watch, because the universe is constantly sending you message, probably in your dreams. The message is that you need to move on. You need to move on from past toxicity, and the block is that you've not yet decided to move on from the past toxicity. Okay? Here you're not acknowledging, because your third eye is totally blocked. You're not acknowledging what you're seeing. You're seeing the truth. You're not acknowledging that. Okay? And for married people, I feel that few of you are taking a lead with themselves. They are doing, like, they're getting into self-love, self-worth, and they're trying to heal themselves, and they're just wanting to just now take charge of the situation. I'm going to be in charge of this relationship, and I'm moving on from all the stupidity that I'm only thinking about improving my relationship, and now I'm not taking a step. I will take a step. Okay? You are just moving on from all the stupidity, past stupidity, and you're taking a step in your marriage, in your committed relationship, if you have one. And the single people are still not ready to confront themselves. They really need to work on your communication skills. Although they have the clarity what to say, but they still are not ready to speak. Probably they are not trusting the fact that what if I express myself and I will be called a fool, that kind of a thing. So yeah, so I think in the month of July, single people, you are going to just put some effort towards yourself. Yeah, so basically nothing much is happening in the relationship area for you Sagittarians until you do not learn to release the past and let go of all the toxicity, right? Releasing the past is very important. It sounds very simple, but it blocks a lot of things in our life. We don't realize that. Okay, let's see what Ganeshji's messages are there for you. Embrace yourself. Love yourself more than you love anything in this world. How Ganeshji is embracing the mouse, that same way you need to embrace your own inner child. Confront your inner child. What are the issues? I need to know. Right? And Ganeshji is helping you in the journey. Right? So please subscribe. Follow me on X, Facebook and Instagram. I put a lot of Hindi content on Facebook. And let me know in the comment section what more videos you want me to make. I'll make that. Okay? Take care. Goodbye. God bless. And Link of my email is below for paid appointments. That's all for today. Goodbye, God will. Bye.